Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete reinforcement details of the column which is related to the north facing house. In my previous video, I was explained the beam reinforcement details as well as staircases reinforcement details for the respected G+2 house with penthouse. So initially, I will show you the typical floor plan for that respected section. Click on this typical floor plan. So this is the typical floor plan for this respected building. Okay. So it will be consisting of double bedroom hall kitchen portion in the ground story. Again it will be consisting of double bedroom hall kitchen portion in the first story. Again it will be consisting of double bedroom hall kitchen in the second story, and it will be consisting of single bedroom hall kitchen at the penthouse section for this respected house. Okay, now I will show you the reinforcement details which is related to the columns. Okay, so basically the column reinforcement details are depends upon the two factors. Okay, one is related to the loading condition system and another one is related to the grade of the concrete. So if you increase the grade of the concrete, the reinforcement values also increases. Okay, and one more thing, if we increase the loading condition on that respected building, we have to provide the additional reinforcement values in order to resist that amount of the loading condition. Okay, so for this respected structure, I was consider the load cases which is related to the dead loading condition system and live loading condition system and wind loading condition system. The load combinations are related to the your respected wind load was considered for this respected reinforcement values. Okay, now I will show you the reinforcement values for this respected G+2 with penthouse section. Okay, select this PDF option, select this column reinforcement details. Okay, so this is the column reinforcement details for this respected house. So it will be consisting of the first floor section which is nothing but the ground floor section and which is related to the first floor column reinforcement details and second floor column details and the third floor column details and penthouse column details. Okay, so for this respected building, it was consisting of your respected column 1 which is having the dimensions of 12 inches cross 24 inches and column 2 which is having the dimensions of your respected 9 inches cross 24 inches and column 3 which is consisting of 9 inches cross 21 inches. Okay, so basically the column 1 which is consisting of the 3 numbers in the respected ground story section. Okay, so for this respected ground story section, it is required 4 number of the bars of 20 mm diameter. Okay, again it is required 8 number of the columns at 16 mm diameter. Okay, the total number of the bars which is required for this respected column is 8 plus 4 which is equals to 12 numbers. Okay, so we had to use double ring beams which is of 8 mm diameter with 7 center to center distance. Okay, for each section ring which is consisting of 9 inches cross 7 inches for the respected inner ring and which is consisting of full ring size of 9 inches cross 21 inches for this respected column section. Okay, so this is the column reinforcement details 1 section. Again now I will show you the column reinforcement details 2. So for this respected section also it will be consisting of the dimensions of 9 inches cross 24 inches which is having 5 number of the columns will be exist. So for this respected 5 number of the columns, it is required 4 number of the 20 mm diameter bar and 8 number of the 16 mm diameter bar. Okay, so double ring of 8 mm diameter with 7 inches center to center distance is required for the straight up section, and for each ring which is consisting of 7 inches cross 17 inches for the respected inner section and which is consisting of the full ring size of 7 inches cross 21 inches for this respected column number 2. Okay, now I will show you the reinforcement details for the respected column number 3 at the ground story. So this is the reinforcement details for the column number 3. So for this respected column number 3, it is required only the 12 number of the bars of 16 mm diameter. When you coming to your respected column number 1, column number 2, it is required 4 number of the 12 mm diameter. Okay, so for the respected column number 3 section, the loading condition application is less. So that's why we have to consider the 16 mm diameter bars only which is consisting of the 12 mm size. Okay, basically the reinforcement values also depends upon the loading condition system. So for this respected column number 3, it is observed that the less amount of the reinforcement values is obtained due to presence of the less amount of the loading condition system. So for this respected section also it is required double ring which is consisting of 8 mm diameter and 7 inches center to center distance. For inner ring which is consisting of 7 inches cross 12 inches is the dimensions for the inner ring, and for the full ring it is required 7 inches cross 18 inches for the respected outer ring. Okay, so this is the reinforcement details for the ground story section. Now I will show you the reinforcement details for the first floor section. So these are the reinforcement details for the first section. So for this respected section, it is required 12 number of the bars of 16 mm diameter throughout this respective section. Okay, so and stirrups will be consisting of double ring beam which is have 8 mm diameter with 7 inches center to center distance. For inner ring section it is required 7 inches cross to 17 inches, and for the outer ring it is required 7 inches cross 21 inches. Okay, so for the respected column number 2 it is required 12 number of the bars of 16 mm diameter for this respected section. So for the double ring beam which is of 8 mm diameter bar which is with 7 inches center to center distance is required for the stirrup section. Okay, for the inner section it is required 7 inches cross 14 inches for the ring, and for the outer section it is required 7 inches cross 18 inches. Okay, so I will provide you this respected PDF in the below description. You can check the reinforcement values for this respected building section. Okay, for the column number 3 which is of 9 inches cross 18 inches it is required 12 number of the 16 mm diameter bar, and the stirrups will be consisting of 8 mm diameter with 7 center to center distance. For the inner ring it is required 7 inches cross 11 inches, and for the outer ring it is required 7 inches cross 15 inches. Okay, so this is the reinforcement details of the column for the respected first story. Now I will show you the reinforcement details for the columns for the respected second story. So for that respected second story it is required for the column number 1 12 number of the bars of 16 mm diameter which is consisting of the double ring of 8 mm diameter with 7 center to center distance. For the inner ring it is required 7 inches cross 14 inches size. Okay, for outer ring it is required 7 inches cross 18 inches. So for the respected C number 2 which is related to the column number 2, for the respected dimensions of 9 inches cross 18 inches it is required 12 number of the 16 mm diameter. So the rings will be required 7 inches cross 11 inches for the inner section. For the full ring section it is required 7 inches cross 15 inches, and the stirrups will be consisting of 8 mm bars with 7 center to center distance. So now I will explain you column reinforcement details for the C3. So for the respected C3 section it is required only the bars which is related to the 10 number of the bars which is having 16 mm diameter. So and the stirrups will be required as a 8 mm diameter bar with 7 center to center distance, and full ring size which is required as 7 inches cross 15 inches for this respected C3 number. Now I will show you the reinforcement details for the third floor section. So this is the third floor section reinforcement details. For the respected C1 it is required 6 number of the bars of 16 mm diameter and 6 number of the bars of 12 mm diameter, and the stirrups is required 8 mm diameter bar with 7 center to center distance. For the inner section it is required 7 inches cross 11 inches dimensions. For the outer section it is required 7 inches cross 15 inches, and for the column number 2 it is required 6 number of the bars of 16 mm diameter, and again it will be required 6 number of the bars of 12 mm diameter, and which is related to the stirrups of 8 mm diameter with 7 center to center distance. For the inner ring it is required 7 inches cross 11 inches, and for outer ring it is required 7 inches cross 15 inches. For the respective C3 section it is required 4 number of the bars of 16 mm diameter and 6 number of the bars of 12 mm diameter. Okay, so the stirrups is required of 8 mm bars with 7 center to center distance. Each ring which is related to the inner section is required as 7 inches cross 11 inches, and outer section will be consisting of 7 inches cross 15 inches. Now I will show you the penthouse reinforcement details. So these are the reinforcement details for the respective penthouse section. So for the respective penthouse it is required 8 number of the bars only for the column number 1 which is related to the 16 mm diameter and which is related to the 12 mm diameter. Okay, so for the respected section it is required only the single ring, not double ring, okay, which is consisting of 8 mm diameter bar with 7 center to center distance, and the ring size we are using here as 7 inches cross 11 inches. Again for the column number 2 which is having the dimensions of 9 inches cross 14 inches, it is required the 8 number of the bars which is consisting of 16 mm bars of 4 numbers and 12 mm bars of 4 numbers with a single beam, okay, which is consisting of 8 mm diameter with 7 center to center distance. Each ring will be consisting of 7 inches cross 11 inches. For the column number 3 it is required also 8 number of the bars which is related to the 16 mm diameter 4 and which is related to the 12 mm diameter 4, and a single ring which is consisting of 8 mm diameter bar with 7 center to center distance, and the ring size which is consisting of 7 inches cross 11 inches. Okay, so these are the reinforcement details for this respected G+2 with penthouse section for the respected real-time project. Okay, so if you have any queries about this respected video which is related to the column reinforcement details, so please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Otherwise you can directly call me through the call me for application if you have any queries about this respected videos. Okay, thank you.